Suppose you just received a list of clients. You would like to use Word's mail merge function to create a mailing list of labels. However, the client information has some text in all capitals, some in lowercase letters, and some is in proper case. And you get ready to start retyping the information for correction, and suddenly you remember that Excel might have a function that will do the work for you. Well, Excel does have a function that can be used to change the case of text. The first are in uppercase and it converts all lowercase letters to uppercase. And second, we have lowercase function in which the all capital letters get converted in lowercase letters. And third one is proper case, in which the first letter of each word capitalize and leave the other lowercase. So in this video I will show you how to use each text function formula. So let's begin with the uppercase. We have big names here. So I want to convert it to uppercase letter. So just type equal to and then upper. Already we have formula here, upper, and just you want to select the text. So select this one and close the bracket, enter it. So all the lowercase letters are getting converted to uppercase letter. So just see one more time, equal to upper, select the formula, select the text you want to convert it to uppercase, close the bracket, just enter it. For all other things you have to just drag and drop. All the names are getting converted to uppercase. Similarly, this uppercase letters you want to convert it to lowercase letter, type the formula lower, you have it in the list, lower, select the text, close the bracket, Bill Gates, it's converting to lower. Likewise, similarly one more time, lower, select the text, close the bracket, enter it, Chad Harley. Likewise, you have to drag and drop it for all the names. We'll get all the names from capital to lowercase letters. So for proper case, in which the first letter of each word get capitalized and the rest will remain in the lowercase. So type it is equal to proper, select from the list, select the text, close the bracket, enter it, Bill Gates. So the first letter of every word is in capital, B is capital and G is capital. One more time, select the text, proper, select the text, close the bracket, Chara. Likewise, you have to drag and drop it. This is a wonderful formula for those who work on a big data, for those who work in public sector, because it is a very useful formula for them. So thanks for watching. In the next video we'll learn about left, right and mid and many other things. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share if you like this video, and comment. Thank you.